welcome back to Mom Tech. I'm Anita and today I'm sharing you my kitchen home garden that I have set up in backyard of my house. I have been living here since 2 years now, and it takes a while to start the kitchen garden, but once it's started you will notice and you will feel immense pleasure. Finally gives you fruits and vegetables that you yourself have sown. Kitchen garden will give you an immense pleasure and satisfaction because it is pesticide free and it is completely organic and non-toxic. Also it will give you a joy of happiness because you yourself have grown these vegetables, and it gives you immense satisfaction when you pluck the vegetables that you yourself have grown. We sow basically vegetables and flowers that are seasonal and that we mostly consume in our day-to-day lives. For example, right now in winters we have potatoes, spinach, methi leaves, coriander, mint leaves. Just need, once you have sown, you just need to take care of the plants by watering them from time to time, especially in summers. We, in our kitchen garden, we only give organic fertilizers such as cow dung and buffalo dung to the vegetables that we have sown, so that they are completely healthy and organic to eat. You can build your kitchen garden anywhere you feel like it could be a balcony or a windowsill or a vertical kitchen garden. Just do it according to the space that is provided in your house and you are good to go. Once you will start doing it, you will feel the urge to do it again and again because it gives you that happiness. Having a kitchen garden will give you a fresh vegetable and there is no need to store those vegetables in the fridge. Just go to the backyard or your kitchen garden and pluck them and use it right away. So there is no need and hurry to keep it in the refrigerator. That way you can consume it fresh. In kitchen garden, you can also use fertilizers or organic fertilizers such as the leftover of your food and the leftover of the tea and etc. That could be organic and easily available in day-to-day household. Also, this is very cheap and easy way to maintain your kitchen garden. Start home kitchen garden this year and you will be much more happy and surprised how amazing it feels to have your own grown vegetables at your home. Bye guys, take care and keep watching Mom Tech. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.